Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum. So, today I'll be doing math, math exercise number 1.1, question number 1. We'll be solving these questions. So, basically, we know what is the meaning of means what is the value of iota square. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Why? Because what is the value of iota is equal to radical minus 1. Okay, we know this thing after the squaring, like if I'm squaring on both sides, so it will be like iota square is equal to minus 1 square, um, because of the square radical will be cancelled and there will be like iota is equal to minus 1, so that's why we call iota square is equal to minus 1. So now just let's do these questions by this formula. So iota 10, it's like iota 10, I can write this also. Okay, because iota square means we have to make a value of iota square minus 1, so that's why simply if I resolve this, we can do this 5 to the 10, it's like again that same value, so we can write this also. Okay, this point is like the symbol of multiplication, you can say. After that, now just watch one thing, that minus is the power 12 is on just iota, not minus 1, so I think we should separate this value. Okay, so there will be like if I put iota here, square here, and power 6 to the 12, 6 here, so I can do this again, 6 to the 12 iota, it will become again minus iota power 12. Okay, so what's the value of iota square? Minus 1 power 5 dot minus 1, means minus will be leaving, this will be minus 1 power 6. Okay, if now remember one thing, if the power is in odd number, so minus will never cancel. If the power is in even numbers, so it will be cancelled. It is like this, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, all are multiplying, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, so it's an odd number, that's why this will turn into like minus, it will be minus 1. Okay, now let's just copy minus. Now here's even number, so even number will directly cancel minus and this will be like plus 1. Okay, so here is minus 1. Now let's just close the bracket. It would be, you can say it will be minus 1. Okay, minus minus plus, in multiplication after means minus minus plus, will not be writing minus here, just 1, and so 1 is the answer of question number exercise 1.1, question number 1. Okay, now let's do another question. So here iota power 16, so directly now see the power is in bracket, outside the bracket, so means the power is on complete value inside the bracket, it is also in minus 1, so the power is positive. Okay, means sorry, even, so it will directly cancel the minus, it will be minus power 16 iota, oh sorry, multiply, and after that iota power 6, it will also be means multiplying to the sign, so it's also even, so it will be iota power 6. Now same method, iota square 8 to the 16. Okay, multiply by if I write this like 3 to the 6. Okay, this could happen. After that, now What is the outside square value? -1 dot again -1 power 3. If the power is even, so it will cancel directly minus, so it will be 1. And here is the power like odd, so -1 will remain -1, so it will be like plus minus minus 1, so it's like -1. Okay, now the last part, iota power 11, so it will be directly coming to inside the bracket. We are solving this bracket, and here the power is even, so it will distribute inside the bracket, and it will be even. It will be like minus will be cancelled. Okay, power 14. Why am I writing this bracket? Just leave it. Okay, iota power. Oh, here's a technique now. See, the power is like 11. No table is like no table is matching with this, so simply we could also do this. Now we have iota extra, iota square, and let me write properly. Iota square dot iota. I am just putting iota 1 extra. Now 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 to the 10, and like point multiply by iota, it will be like 5 to the 10 iota power 10, and if I multiply iota with this iota, it will be power 11, so it will be like same. Now iota power 11, here is dot iota square power 7. Okay, now this will be -1 power 5 dot iota and -1 power 7. This will be -1 dot iota. This would be simply -1 because the power is odd. Minus plus minus minus, and iota 1 the iota, but minus iota. Okay, after multiplication it would be minus ka 1 1 the 1 iota, the iota was minus minus plus, so plus iota. This is the answer. This was the answer of number second part. Now if you wanna take a screenshot of this, so you can just, we have completed our question number 1 evolute. Okay, thanks for watching.